network, empowered, quality approach, business acumen, and excellent outcomes. So let us all welcome Mr. Richard Na to talk about how he started and why he chose Phoenix.
Baka iniisip ko, baka ilalaglag na ako.
Naban yung iPhone. Sasarap. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good morning palagi. Anyway, I was really bribed on stage today. I should not be here. Thank you for my extra Japan tickets. There are a lot of words that are really able to be here. Pero nasuhulan ako eh. So, essential na kayo. Kidding aside, it was a risk for both sides, me and QBE, because Ronan just contacted me through LinkedIn. Doon na niya ako nakita. So, then he messaged me and told me that there's a new insurance company. So, buti na he didn't ask me if I'm open-minded, just like Francis Kong mentioned earlier. Kasi I would have shot him right away. So, hindi ko rin sure kung nag-credit investigate pa si Ronan on me. So, yun lang. Tapos after nun, yun na, nag-work together na kami. Sinabi niya Seaboard, QBE parang merged with Seaboard. So, ako Seaboard, I just know Seaboard because I used to work with BJ Cars. Alam ko, related sila. Pero yun lang, hindi ko sila kilala talaga. So, the best thing about their company is, syempre yung backbone and the brains running it, like JCW, and Larry, Jay, and the rest of Miss Rose, the rest of the people. They're just really good in doing their job and making us secure. Support groups like Ronan, si Ronan and si Beth, talagang they know what they're doing. Kaya yung confidence level mo as an agent, may encourage ka talagang magbenta kasi nga, pag nagtanong ka, they can answer you properly. Doon ako very impressed. And siyempre, na-life insurance tayo, so ang pinaka-showroom natin is yung claims. So, audience, can you help me with claims? How impressive it is? Impressive ba? Yes. Okay, extra tickets. Yeah, siyempre, their claims are really impressive. Okay, so about me naman, my company, this secret, there's no really secret. My secret is just to keep on swimming. Sabi nga ni Doris, diba? Just mind yourself, your service, the rest will do the talking. Ano lang, huwag ka na pansinin yung mga competitors mo. It's really about you and how you take care of your clients. Tapos, of course, dito sa industry natin, yung pera, diba, sobrang cash ano siya eh, cash related business siya. Kailangan dito yung trustworthiness natin. So, actually yung binabayad sa atin, hindi naman talaga atin. So, we have to take good care of it and make sure that we remit it properly. So, from there on, hindi ka magkakaproblema like yung nakwento nga ni Francis kanina, yung claims, kakaproblema kasi hindi pa pala babayad yung premiums, di ba? So, be professional at all level. I believe dito lahat sa atin, mga agents na invited dito, they're all the same thing na ginagawa ko. So nothing really special to me, except for the Japan tickets. So thank you very much. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, Richard.
May Japan tickets ba tayo?
Sana.
Oo, sige lang.
Okay, so again, napakaganda